The look of wood furniture is also not comparable to anything else. The natural look of wood is not replicable by any other material. Wood brings people and guests back to nature, giving the room an organic, down-to-earth feel. Despite the passage of time, the popularity of wood in furniture making has never changed. There are several benefits of using wood in furniture making. If you look around your home or office, you will find that there are several wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces. If you find wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces interesting, keep on watching to find out why wooden furniture is so popular. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Wood can fit any home decor trend or style you want to follow. In terms of aesthetic style, there's no debate over the versatility of wood. It can be used in a modern, rustic, or cozy outline. In general, wood can fit any interior design, although you can use any type of wood to make furniture. Not all woods are made equal. That's why you need to choose it carefully. When it comes to choosing the best wood for your furniture, understanding its properties is a must. Different types of wood for furniture, both hardwood and softwood, are available in the market. Each type comes with a different set of characteristics in terms of color, density, grain, and finishing. Picking the right wood for furniture is critical, as it helps you to determine the exact price of your unit. It will also be a deciding factor when you want to restore, resale, or discard a piece of furniture. There are different types of wood. The longevity of wood as a construction material reduces the risk of having to purchase new furniture every new year. You can donate your wood furniture in case you want to replace it with a newer one. It is common to see wooden items being passed on from one generation to the other in a family. Your donation will keep those who receive your furniture from purchasing new furniture and hence reduce the carbon footprint further. Whether they are intricately carved or are just a plain panel of wood, the style of wooden furniture, however old, is here to stay. The beauty of wood can uplift the mood and ambience of the entire room. Wooden furniture offers elegance, charm and sophistication to any space, and that's why you can even make it as the focal point of your room. Although you might pay more to begin with for a piece of solid wood furniture, wood is more valuable than other material used in furniture manufacturing. Wood's natural grain guarantees that each piece of furniture is unique. The initial cost of wood furniture may be higher than lower-end materials, but you will reap the benefits for years to come. Depending on your budget, you can select furniture that is manufactured using wood furniture parts in softwood such as pine, or you can opt for furniture that is manufactured using harder, more exotic woods. For outdoor wooden furniture, finishing is a necessity. Many stains will seal the wood and create a barrier from rain and other liquids. This can do wonders for the long-term durability of your outdoor wooden furniture. With a stain finish, the wood on outdoor furniture will have an effective barrier erected to protect it from pests and other outside factors that could end up doing the furniture harm. Unlike furniture made from other materials, where the paint will inevitably cover up the original feel of the piece. A catalyzed varnish finish is effective in keeping the wood waterproof and preventing rot. Well viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.